Welcome back to another video, everybody. It's been a minute. Here we've got a pretty quick one. We've got two of the Double V Champions Path boxes. I will go ahead and get these opened up and we will jump right into it. Alright, and we are back. So we've got a fairly short one today. We've got 8 packs of Champions Path to get through. We're not going to waste any time here. We are going to jump straight into it. See if we can maybe get another Zard out of this. I know we've gotten one on this channel so far, and that was really the first big hit on the channel, which was super exciting. Let's go fire. There it is. Good start. Rotom Phone, Hyper Potion, Victini, Trubbish, Galarian Zigzagoon, Inkay, Pokeball, Purloin, a Reverse Bead, and a holographic Machamp. Those are our first hits of the video, with 7 packs to go. Jumping into pack number 2. Let's go water, fire, Suspicious Food Tin, Rotom Bike, Arbok, Galarian Zigzagoon, a Roly-Poly, Trubbish, Vulpix, Swablu, a Reverse Sonia, and a holographic Zygarde. Getting into the third pack here. Vivid Voltage is rapidly approaching. That is going to be the next set. Ekans, Scraggy, Full Heal, Rockruff, Galarian, a Reverse Hatchrim, and a Galarian Obstagoon. So no noteworthy hits yet. Oh. This will mark halfway through today's opening. Going into pack number 4. Let's go Lightning, Leopard, Rotom Phone, Hop, Kakuna, Katna, Inkay, Swablu, Ekans, a Reverse Bead, and a holographic Centiskorch. Still nothing, and we are halfway through. Jumping into pack 5. I know the luck for this set has been incredibly hit or miss. Some people have gotten multiple Charizards, a very small amount of packs, whereas others have opened hundreds and have yet to get anything. Feel free to leave a comment down below letting me know how you've done with the set so far. A Reverse Machoke and a holographic Hatterene. Still nothing. But as we know, with Pokemon, anything can happen in just one pack. 2, 3, 4. Let's go water. There it is. Hyper Potion, Rotom Bike, Choke, Nickit, Atna, Sizzlipede, another Nickit, a Purloin, a Reverse Professor's Research, and a holographic Marnie. Still no full art, still no V cards, V maxes, nothing. 2, 3, 4. We got 2 packs left. Let's hope something can happen. Leopard, Rotom Phone, Hop, Swablu, Ekans, Chop, Nickit, Galarian Lanoon, a Reverse Ears, and another holographic Centiskorch. Down to the last pack with nothing to show for it thus far. Haven't had to sleeve anything this video. Water, Machoke, T-Meal Grunt, Leopard, Pokeball, Sizzlipede, Machop, Roly-Poly, a Full Heal, a Hyper Potion, and a holographic Altaria. Unfortunately, this was a pretty disappointing opening. We've got no full arts, no V cards, no hyper rares, nothing of the sort, but that is just the way it goes sometimes. Just thankful we got to open some packs. As always, hope you guys are doing well. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay searching.